Today guys, I got a cool little RC here for you guys. It's from LDARC and it's X43 RTR. It's a cool little micro RC and we're going to unbox this RC and we're going to take it to the Golden Gate Bridge and give it a run and show you how we do. Alright, so let's get down in this box and get this RC out and show you what time it is. So there we go guys. Inside here we have a couple of stuff. So first thing we picked up here is a body. We have an extra body for this vehicle. And we got some little pieces of scale stuff in here to put it on that body. Check this out. And here is your extra body. What comes with this truck. Wow, see how cool that is? Hard body guys. Let's check this out. This is a cage here to put inside of the body. Pretty cool setup. That's the inner fender and stuff, you know, with the glass. Give it that cool look. Nice. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. This is the remote. I like how they package everything, you know. Pretty nice. Well protected. The remote is pretty heavy right off the box. It's pretty heavy guys. Nice. The steering wheel feels good. Got this nice soft foam. Trigger feel nice. The spring is pretty nice. A lot of buttons here guys. A lot of things to press. Nice. Underneath here is where your battery at. If you pull this tab, you already have battery in there. You pull this tab, we can activate. Or you get a screw to unscrew for the battery. So you pull this, we activate the battery. Just gonna pop this up. There we go. So the battery make connection. Wow, pretty nice. Check this out. Guys, you look real good. A lot of stuff going on here. Alright. So the remote comes set up. Let's get this little truck out. So here go your owner's manual to tell you about the remote and the truck. Pretty nice details here. Alright, let's move on. We got a little parts tree here, stickers, and we got some more stickers from LDARC. Pretty cool guys. Alright, so now for the real deal, we're gonna get down inside this little box right here and get this truck off. Show you guys what's going on. This little thing right here, we got some nuts and screwdriver is in here. Pretty cool. Okay, and there goes your truck guys. Wow, see how tiny that is? Whoa, that's all in the box guys. Check this out. Amazing. Wow, check this little bad boy out, guys. Let's get this plastic off. Yeah, nice. Wow. Pretty cool metal chassis underneath here. Wow. The tires are soft. I tell you, soft. Yeah, pretty nice. So, check out the scale stuff. We got snorkel, mirrors, spare tire at the back here, and that's where you're gonna charge the battery, and that's where your little switches. They're back there. That little switch right here. Check this out. It's got power. Wow. Red flashing light. Cool. It's got a magnet back here. Just like that, you put that there, and you're good to go. Wow, guys, check the steering out on this thing. See this? Lots of steering here. Cute little vehicle, guys. Wow. It's got a pretty nice weight too. Check the suspension. Amazing. I like that he have the rim look like, you know, somewhat metal. And the tire is just sitting there. Can easily peel it off, you know. Wow, beautiful. Let's turn on the remote. All right, we got vibes. Check this out. Wow. Beautiful. Let's check the steering. That's just the way to toggle through the different settings, you know. Nice. Wow. Cool speed, guys. You can see that little metal gear in the middle here. Check that out. Pretty cool. Got some cool little shocks, you know. Wow, I like it. I really do like it, guys. So I'm gonna figure out this remote and tell you more about it. But yeah, the little truck, real nice, guys. Real nice. Let's see how it's gonna move in my hand. Wow, it's crawling. Let's put it on top of this truck here and see what's going on. Yep, it's moving. Let's remove this box here and check this out. See what's going on. Nice. Beautiful. Check this out, guys. You also come with your power cord to charge it. So they give you everything you need to get this little truck going, you know. So check this out, guys. We have headlights, we have tail lights, and this switch right here, or this button right here, was going to remove these lights. See, headlights is gone, tail lights is gone. There we go, it's back. Off, on. So the remote pair up real nice with it. Has some pretty nice function, you know. And when you hit this one here, you got the flashing indicator. Pretty nice. This one get the headlights brighter. See, it's brighter. Indicator is off. All light is off. So far when you press the buttons and you keep them red, you get in full steering. See this? How far the steering is going? Pretty cool. So I just pressed all the button red and the steering get much better. So I think when you have them red, you get, you know, more power off everything. Yeah, guys, so far I'm liking this little truck. We got mirrors, snuckle, shocks is pretty nice. And we have lights, headlights, indicator lights on top here, and the lights at the back. So pretty cool truck. I like it so far, guys. Alright, so let's take it to the Golden Gate Bridge and give it a run.
started playing.
Hello. Thank you. Thanks. Hey guys. Yeah. It's okay. You like it? Yeah. No habla español. No. No. English.